Well, Emily, it is toy time, and I have Heather and Mike Acerra, co-founders of Lux Blox. You're the CEO, you're the president, husband, wife, small business. But these toys, these are really cool. Tell me about these.
Thank you. Yes, well, Michael and I homeschooled our kids, and we really wanted them to have a building experience that would allow them to explore more modern engineering principles. We were looking for something a little more sophisticated than just stacking bricks.
Okay, so I heard better than Legos.
You said it. So we spent 3.5 years with the 3D printer getting feedback from our kids, people in our homeschool community, just refining the block. And we came up with our block, which has a pinless hinge. So you snap the blocks together, and then you have the opportunity to take advantage of this angle. So you can create things like sheets of fabric that bend and fold. But then when you fold it, it's going to hold structure.
Wow, and I'm having trouble doing it. I need a small person to do this, but there's an educational sort of part of this, not just toy playing.
That's right. I like to call it sneaky learning, because when children or others are playing with it, they may not understand that they're learning about engineering, but they are intuitively, as they learn, oh, if I fold this, it's going to hold structure. They're learning about corrugation. They don't know that word per se, but they've had that experience.
That's really cool, Heather. And lastly, Mike, it appears, we talk a lot about getting kids, particularly young kids, away from phones. We don't want them to spend all their time on a screen. This gives them an opportunity to do just that.
It does, because we're giving them the real world. Kids want to have experience with the real world. They want the real tools that Dad's using and everything else, right? Well, these things give kids access to that world of hinges and of principles and structure. Yeah. And that's what we want. We want to pass on our kids the best things we can. And structure and principles is a really good start.
It's amazing. This American flag is amazing, too. Mike and Heather Acerra, thank you very much.
Thank you.
You can visit luxblox.com and get 20% off with code FOX20. Thank you guys for being here.
Thank you.